Hey, welcome back. Today we are talking about something that changes faster than almost anything else in English: slang. And not just any slang. American slang that is actually trending right now in 2026. If you're learning English from movies that came out 5 years ago or from music that's already old, you might already be behind. Gen Z and even the younger Gen Alpha are creating new words every single year, and by the time you learn one, it's already chuggy, which, by the way, is an older slang for uncool. So today, I'm going to give you 10 American slang words that are actually trending in 2026. These are words you will hear on TikTok, in conversations between young people, in TV shows, and even creeping into workplace Slack channels. Learn these, and you will understand real, fast, modern English. Let's go. Number 1. Ate. This word is everywhere right now. And no, it's not about food. Well, not literally. When someone says she ate or he ate that, they mean that person did something extremely well. Usually related to fashion, a performance, a comeback, or even just a social media post. For example, your friend posts a photo in a new outfit. You comment, "You ate that." It means you nailed it. You look amazing. You performed perfectly. You can also say ate down for extra emphasis. If someone gives a great speech, you say, "She ate and left no crumbs." That's the full version. But just ate alone is enough. So if you see a video of a singer hitting a high note, comment, "ate." If your coworker gives a perfect presentation, you can whisper, "You ate that." It's high praise. Very trendy right now. Number 2. Demure. Wait, this word is actually old. Very old. But in 2026, Gen Z brought it back with a completely new, sarcastic twist. The traditional meaning of demure is modest, shy, reserved. But today, young people use demure to describe something that is deliberately understated in a funny or ironic way. For example, someone posts a video of themselves taking a very small bite of a cake and says, "Very demure, very mindful." It's a joke. It's making fun of overly polite or overly careful behavior. You can also use it sarcastically when someone is being dramatic but pretending to be calm. "Oh, you only cried for 10 minutes? Very demure." So the meaning is opposite. It's not real modesty. It's exaggerated, fake modesty for humor. You'll hear it constantly on social media in 2026. Number 3. Looksmaxxing. This one comes from online communities focused on self-improvement. Looksmaxxing means trying to maximize your physical appearance. It can be simple things like a new haircut or skincare routine. That's soft looksmaxxing. Or it can be more extreme like plastic surgery or intense gym routines. That's hard looksmaxxing. People say, "I'm on my looksmaxxing journey," or "He's been looksmaxxing for 6 months." It's very common in fitness and beauty content. But be careful. Some people use it negatively to criticize someone who is too obsessed with appearance. So context matters. But as a slang word, it's everywhere in 2026. Number 4. Mewing. This is related to looksmaxxing but specific. Mewing is a technique where you place your tongue on the roof of your mouth to improve your jawline. Young people talk about mewing constantly. They say, "Start mewing," as a joke when someone has a weak chin. Or seriously, "I've been mewing for 3 months and my jawline is sharper." It's also used as a meme. If someone says something stupid, you might reply, "Just mew, bro," as a way to say, "Be quiet and fix your face." It's very online. Very 2026. If you hear a teenager say, "Stop talking and mew," they're not being serious. It's half joke, half real advice depending on the group. Number 5. Skibidi. Oh, this one is strange. Skibidi comes from an animated YouTube series called Skibidi Toilet, which became a massive meme. And now, in 2026, Skibidi is used as a nonsense word. It doesn't have a fixed meaning. Young people use it as an exclamation, an adjective, or just a filler word. For example, someone might say, "That's so skibidi," meaning weird or chaotic. Or they might just shout "skibidi" when something unexpected happens. It's similar to how people used random humor in the past. If you're over 25, you might find this annoying. But if you want to understand Gen Z in 2026, you need to recognize skibidi as a vibe word. It means whatever the speaker wants it to mean, usually something funny, bizarre, or energetic. Don't try to use it until you've heard it a lot, but definitely recognize it. Number 6. Rizz. Okay, this word started a few years ago, but in 2026, it's still trending and it has evolved. Rizz is short for charisma. It means the ability to attract someone romantically or flirt successfully. You say he's got Rizz or she has so much Rizz. But in 2026, people have created new forms. Rizz up means to flirt with someone. I'm going to rizz up that person at the party. Rizzler means someone who has a lot of Rizz. And unspoken Rizz means attraction without words, just eye contact or body language. You'll also hear W Rizz for good Rizz and L Rizz for bad, failed Rizz. So if someone tries to flirt and fails, you say that's an L Rizz moment. This word is not going away anytime soon. Learn it, use it, but don't overuse it. Too much Rizz talk and you lose your own Rizz. Number 7. Sigma. This comes from the alpha male and beta male online vocabulary. But Sigma is the new cool one. A Sigma male is someone who is independent, successful, and confident, but doesn't follow social rules. They are lone wolves. They don't need a group. In 2026, people say that's Sigma about any cool, independent behavior. For example, someone eats lunch alone and reads a book instead of talking to everyone. Sigma move. Someone quits their job to start a solo business. Sigma grindset. But it's also used ironically. If someone is being antisocial in a weird way, you can say, okay, Sigma, sarcastically. So like many slang words, it works both seriously and as a joke. You'll see Sigma memes everywhere. And there's also Ligma, which is a joke word that sounds like Sigma but leads to a punchline. Don't fall for that. If someone says, have you heard of Ligma? Just ignore them. It's an old internet trap. Number 8. NPC. This stands for non-player character, like the background characters in video games that just repeat the same phrases. In slang, calling someone an NPC means they are boring, unoriginal, and just follow the crowd. They don't think for themselves. For example, someone who buys the same clothes as everyone else and has no unique opinions. He's such an NPC. Or that take is NPC behavior. In 2026, it's used politically too. People call voters who just follow their party NPCs. It's an insult, so be careful. Don't call your boss an NPC unless you want to be fired. But among friends, it's a common joke. You're being an NPC right now, just agreeing with everything I say. So useful, but sharp. Number 9. Delulu. This is short for delusional. But in slang, it's lighter and funnier. Delulu means believing something that is probably not true, especially in romance or fandom. For example, you think your favorite celebrity is secretly in love with you. You are Delulu. You think you will pass the exam without studying. Delulu. But the phrase is Delulu is the solution, delusion is the solution. Meaning sometimes being a little delusional helps you stay confident or happy. So people say it positively too. I'm being Delulu about my job interview. Number 10. I fear. This is a new sentence starter. People say I fear before stating an opinion that might be unpopular or a realization they don't like. For example, I fear that outfit actually looks good. Or I fear I'm getting too old for this music. It's like saying I hate to admit this, but, or unfortunately, I think. It adds a humorous, dramatic tone. You can also say, I fear for something. I fear for anyone who still uses Facebook. It's very conversational, very online. If you watch TikTok commentary videos in 2026, you'll hear I fear at least 5 times per video. So add it to your vocabulary for casual, funny situations. But don't use it in a job interview. I fear I'm the best candidate would be very strange. Now, before you go, I want to give you a quick test. Listen to this sentence and see if you understand all the slang. She ate that look. Very demure. She's been Looksmaxxing and mewing all year. Total Sigma energy. Anyone who says otherwise is an NPC. I fear the haters are just Delulu. Anyway, Skibidi. He's trying to rizz her up, but he's got no chance. Did you catch it all? If yes, congratulations. You are officially up to date with 2026 American slang. If not, rewind and listen again. If you liked this video, smash that like button, and yes, smash is old slang now, but I'm old, so forgive me. Subscribe for more real English. And comment below, which of these slang words have you already heard? Or which one is your favorite? I read every comment. Now go out there and sound like you actually understand Gen Z. Or at least fake it. Delulu is the Solulu. I'll see you in the next video.